Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to adjust space before and after paragraphs in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Highlight the specific paragraphs you want to adjust, or press Ctrl A on Windows or Command A on Mac to select your entire document layout. Look at the top formatting toolbar and click on the line and paragraph spacing icon, which looks like an up and down arrow next to horizontal lines. Alternatively, click on Format in the top menu bar and hover over line and paragraph spacing. From the drop-down menu, click on Add Space Before Paragraph or Add Space After Paragraph for quick default spacing adjustments. To enter exact pixel or point values, click on Custom Spacing at the bottom of the drop-down menu. A custom spacing pop-up window will appear on your screen layout. Type your preferred numerical values into the paragraph spacing boxes labeled Before and After. Click the blue Apply button in the bottom right corner of the window to save your custom spacing settings. Google Docs will instantly update your paragraph layout without requiring manual enter keystrokes between paragraphs. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.